Okay, so this is for Wednesday, Activity 2 at Themes in Poetry, and you guys are going to be filling out the Google form talking about the themes of these two poems and if they are the same or different. So the first poem, No Difference, by Shel Silverstein. Small as a peanut, big as a giant, we're all the same size when we turn off the light. Rich as a sultan, poor as a mite, we're all worth the same when we turn off the light. Red, black, or orange, yellow, or white, we all look the same when we turn off the light. So maybe the way to make everything right is for God to just reach out and turn off the light. And then it's I Dream a World by Langston Hughes. I dream a world where man, no other man will scorn, where love will bless the earth and peace its path adorn. I dream a world where all will know sweet freedom's way, where greed no longer saps the soul, nor avarice blights our day. A world I dream where black or white, whatever race you be, will share the bounties of the earth, and every man is free. Where wretchedness will hang its head, and joy like a pearl attends the needs of all mankind. Of such a dream, my world. So you're going to talk about theme, and then the words that are in bold, avarice, blights, bounties, and wretchedness, you're going to give me definitions for those 4 words. And that'll be it for today.